At Gateway Cylinder, we are a full-service cylinder rehab facility. We offer high pressure, low pressure, and acetylene testing services.
So the DOT mandates that every 5 to 10 years, cylinders be retested to remain in service. That's where we come in. We make sure cylinders are ready to go to the plant to be filled and safely make their way to the customers. Testing is an extremely important step in this life cycle of a cylinder, and by maintaining our cylinders, we can preserve them for decades.
We just completed a complete renovation of the whole facility, from a new roof, new electrical, new wiring, new machines, new technology, new office space, conference room, and break room as well.
So we fill fuel gas, we requalify acetylene cylinders, and we also do ultrasonic examination of high pressure cylinders. We're a full stop shop. We can paint them, we can change service, change valves. Basically anything you need done to a cylinder, we can do here at Gateway. We have an all-new, state-of-the-art paint booth. It has the same 2 spray heads as before. We also now have a different feature. It sprays the bottom of the cylinders as well. So when I say automated, it is truly automated. You hang the cylinder up, it goes through a sensor, which tells the paint, the guns, what height the cylinder is and how much paint to apply. And they pretty much go through, get sprayed, and come out the other side. It is capable of running anywhere from 500 to 600 cylinders per day if we're running at full capacity, with no strain on the operator whatsoever. Again, we have the ability to paint 3 distinct colors. We can load 3 colors in the machine at one time, and just with a flip of a switch or a button, we're able to switch between colors. So the cleanup process, the transition process is very seamless, and it helps us be a lot more efficient, a lot more productive. I think having a service like Gateway in-house allows us to maintain a high standard of quality. Our internal and external customers get quality that they're expecting. For more information, please see our website at gatewaycylinder.com or reach out to your CK Supply account rep for more information on testing services, and we hope you see our work out in the field.